Okay, to find average rate of change, I'm going to say f of a minus f of 5 over a minus 5. So I'm going to start. So f of a would be 4a squared minus 9 minus f of 5. If I put a 5 in here, that's what? 25 times 4 is 100 minus 9 is 91. On the bottom, I still have an a minus 5. Okay, let's keep going. So 4a squared minus 100 over a minus 5. 4 a squared minus 25. If you factor a minus 5, and then I keep factoring a minus 5, a plus 5, a minus 5, I get my final answer of 4a plus 5, or 4a plus 20. Now, if you do it the other way, I know I just looked, I can't remember which way you did this, but if you do it the other way, you can get the same answer. That is, if you let the denominator be 5 minus a. In other words, if you just kind of switch your endpoints around, then you're looking at this guy. But you should get the same answer, so let's find out. That's still 91 minus 4a squared minus 9 over 5 minus a equals, so that'd be 100 minus 4a squared over 5 minus a. And this one, if you do it this way, it's a little bit harder to see the simplification. But you can still factor this guy. You can still factor a 4 out, and you get 25 minus a squared, 5 minus a. And then you can still factor this thing as the difference of two squares. It would be 5 minus a times 5 plus a over 5 minus a, and it goes away, and you end up with this factor and this factor, which is the same answer we got the other way, because 5 plus a would be the same as 5 minus a. So I hope that helps.